Founded in 1967, Oriflame is the brainchild of Robert and Jonas F. Jochnick and has grown to become the largest European beauty company selling direct in 62 countries worldwide today. Its wide portfolio of Swedish natural innovative beauty products are marketed through a sales force of more than 3.8 million independent consultants who together create annual sales exceeding 1.5 billion euros. In India, Oriflame commenced operations in 1995 and pioneered the concept of direct selling by co-founding the Indian Direct Selling Association. Today, Oriflame India has a sales force of more than 2 lakh independent consultants. Oriflame offers leading business opportunities for people who want to start making money on day one and work towards fulfilling their personal dreams and ambitions through its unique business concept. Look great, make money, have fun. Here's how it's done. As an individual, you can buy Oriflame products from catalogs on consultant price and then make a profit by selling them on MRP. However, by recruiting more consultants and formulating a team, you can earn commissions on your team's sales. Bigger the team, bigger the income. Big rewards call for a thorough plan. Presenting the Oriflame Success Plan. Once a consultant with Oriflame, you can earn up to 21% of your total team sales just as commissions and an opportunity to move up the ladder to manager, senior manager and director level. At this initial level, what awaits you is an annual income of 3,60,000, cash awards up to 40,000, exciting gifts and recognitions. Elaborate features in the Oriflame newsletter and above all, an exclusive chance to attend the Directors Seminar. Bigger the dreams, greater the aspirations. The director level is just a beginning to a wonderful world of luxury and indulgence. Moving up the ladder places you in the league of the Gold Director, Senior Gold Director and the Sapphire Director. Expect the unexpected. Ever-increasing income coupled with high-value cash awards up to 1,60,000. On-stage recognition in Directors Seminar, the dazzling Oriflame Gold Pin and a chance to visit exotic travel destinations are up for grab. What's precious than gold? Diamond it is. Moving up the ladder gets you to rub shoulders with the Diamond Directors, Senior Diamond Directors and Double Diamond Directors from around the globe. Referred to as the Diamond Heaven, this indeed is a dream come true. Double the income, cash awards up to rupees 4 lakhs. Entry to the prestigious Global Diamond Conference. Beautiful and glamorous foreign destinations. A 2 diamond-studded Oriflame Show Gold Pin, and last but not the least, a Honda City that you can call your own. Next in line are the super successful leagues of executives. Executive Director, Gold Executive Director, Sapphire Executive Director, and the Diamond Executive Director form the Elite Executive Club. This elite group never travels alone. A BMW 3 Series. Travel around the world with family. Tickets to international conferences. And the best of cash rewards starting at rupees 9,60,000 that can skyrocket to 16,80,000. That's the power of being an executive. The executives have their perks, but it's the presidents that rule the show. President Director, Senior President Director, Gold President Director, Sapphire President Director, and finally, the Diamond President Director are the cream of the Oriflame hierarchy. With their annual income touching 4 crores and cash rewards ranging from 40 lakhs to 4 crores, Oriflame 5 diamond-studded pin, mind-boggling 3 Mercedes cars, grand recognitions in global leadership conferences, and travel to the best of destinations around the world 3 times a year with family. The President Directors have the finest of them all. Like someone once wisely said, the future belongs to those who believe in the power of their dreams. At Oriflame, we believe in imagining big, dreaming big. Look great, make money, have fun, dream big, and live your dreams with Oriflame.